Everyone dreams about getting their first pair of boots, so I thought what better place to go than Austin, Texas. I've never had a pair of real boots before, so I was so excited. It smelled so good, the leather. I feel like y'all can smell it through the screen. I wanted some red ones because I wear red all the time, and then for fall, for summer, for the rodeo, for festivals, I just know it's my go-to color. They had some cool freebies like customizing it, shining up your boots, and free drinks, love. They also had the cutest little artwork. I wish I had coins, but I didn't. Now for the unboxing. I'm so excited to wear these. And one thing that was surprising is they're actually comfortable. I didn't know boots were supposed to be comfortable, but I can't wait to wear them.